Looking for a post-workout change? Try the creamy tea mango shake. It's almost like a mango lassi, a little bit like tea. You gotta try it. Come on, let's go. What you wanna do, if you look at the mango, it's kind of got like a little bit of a butt here. And you know that it's across there is where the seed's gonna be. So we're gonna cut along the seed on both sides right about here. Oh, there's one. And the other side. Then what I do is I cut off the top right here, and then we just peel around the skin. This mango isn't the ripest, but it'll still do for a shake, no problem. And we'll just peel the bad boy out. Catching our juices in our container, not to waste any goodness. First, we start off with some iced tea we made earlier, followed by some milk, chia seeds, and a portion of your favorite protein powder. And now we blend. And now we pour. Sweet mango tea, creamy flavor. Looks delicious. And all in under 10 minutes or less.